So we were talking about this surge in digital commerce that we've seen, and I would like to hear from you because I know you interface with a lot of companies, a lot of brands. What you're hearing from your clients and what they plan to do going forward as we kind of adapt to this next normal.
Julia, it's been transformational in digital commerce this year. What businesses expected to do in a 3-year time frame, they've done it in months. Customers like Herman Miller, which is a customer of ours, completely redesigned their experience online so that customers can have more of this hybrid experience of buying online, customizing the product, and then going into the store, feeling it. Sometimes it's a pickup in store. Herman Miller saw a surge in 300% since redesigning their website powered by Salesforce. And that's not the only customer. We're seeing this kind of transformation, digital transformation, in every industry across the globe. Customers are just doing marketing in digital commerce. It's the new norm. And no longer just a channel, but the primary channel for a lot of our brands.
So you obviously have to help your clients adapt to this kind of next normal. What are you all doing when it comes to reaching out to some of these businesses that might not be as digitally savvy to make sure they can also participate in this wave?
Yeah, absolutely, Julia. What we've seen, especially on industries where digital was not the norm, insurance or automotive customers, we really are trying to focus on helping our customers understand their users. So powering with great tools for designing the website, but also being able to continue that journey in personalization. We're serving now 100 billion predictions a year, and that what means is that we are getting personalized everything, email, and when you go to the website, you get exactly what you're looking for. And that really helps customers that are not very sophisticated. And it's all about being able to do a clicks-based build of those experiences. So we are really transforming customers in every industry. You don't have to be an expert in digital commerce or digital marketing to be able to transform your business.
Lidiane, when you talk about digital transformation, I mean, we were both. We were linear television as well as digital, and now look what's happened in a year and a half. We do it all digital. But I do want to ask you a question. Help us understand something. One, have you heard anything about, the closing of the deal Salesforce and Slack work? And going forward, would what you do with your clients, I realize Slack works within the parameters of each business, but is there a way to perhaps integrate that in the kinds of things we're talking about to help on their sales side?
Yeah, it's a great question. Part of what, we haven't closed it yet, but part of what we're excited about with Slack is really being able to bring a conversational part of that collaboration, that success from anywhere, which is transforming, you mentioned yourself, David, how we are doing everything online now. Think about, the conversation that a customer can have with their customers, our B2B commerce customers. If you're really interfacing between a seller and a buyer, it just creates a lot more efficiency on how you do everything. So really bringing that success from anywhere and making it easy for customers across the board. I think there's just an incredible amount of possibilities for our companies together.
Lidiane, when I talk to folks at Salesforce, I often talk about, when you're building out products, looking at things through this kind of jobs to be done framework. And when I think about my own digital experiences, for example, I've left so many shopping carts just because of the various frictions. So how do you think about the pain points out there, and what are the biggest opportunities or the biggest blank space to kind of address when it comes to kind of filling some of the pain points for your clients? Where are you most excited?
Well, one of the things that I'm most excited to, it's a great question, is that what is the hardest thing for our customers is being able to carry context about a shopper or about a user. And what we really have focused on is helping our customers put their users at the center of every experience. And it's our Salesforce Customer 360 framework. And that's really powering. We just announced earlier this week a customer data platform. And what that means is that we can help our customers know when you mentioned abandoning carts, being able to go back and send you an email and Julia, or provide you a promotion that will draw you back to complete that transaction. That all happens with like a very powerful personalization capabilities. And, every customer expects that, every consumer. I certainly do. When I want to shop, I want to see items that are relevant to me. And I know that's how consumers are really expecting that today. So being able to have the consumer at the center of everything we do is paramount. Digital, first consumer experience is really what we are focused on and what I know our customers are trying to achieve.
Well, there's something else you can help us understand, which is you have so many different kinds of customers, but we never realize sometimes that you're behind the scenes when we're interacting with a company. Would it be to Salesforce best interest, because we talk so much about branding, to maybe let us know we're part of what you're about to transact? Did we just lose you, Lidiane?
Oh, I'm sorry. My video is just acting up a little bit.
Not a problem. Right. I have that impact on women sometimes. Seriously, would it be in Salesforce best interest, though, to let us know we're part of this transaction?
We want our customers to be able to express their own brands. For example, Sonos, I came from Sonos before Salesforce, is a very high-powered brand that really is premium for customers. So our focus is helping our customers be successful. So when Sonos, the pandemic was really hard for Sonos a year ago. And when they moved their digital commerce, digital marketing to Salesforce, we wanted them and their services as well. We wanted them to express their brand. And what that transformed for Sonos was a 400% growth in their digital channel, which is really an incredible transformation. So for us, it's how do we help our customers be successful? And you're absolutely right, David. We power so many brands that even I didn't realize until I got here, which is really a fun and humbling experience to help so many incredible brands transform their business.